Hey guys, what's going on? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, coming to you here from beautiful Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm coming to you cutting this quick video. And the title for today is Why You Should Be Building an Email List for Marketing Your Business. That was a mouthful. But anyhow, guys, before I do get into the content, I do want to remind you guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, be sure to click that little link, that little bell on the side there, just to make sure that you are notified of any new videos that I put out. So, why should you be building an email list for marketing your business? Now, before I get into why you should be building an email list, it's probably best that I define exactly what is an email list or what's a mailing list. So let me kind of give you a basic definition of what an email list is or a mailing list is. So an email list or mailing list is basically a collection of names and addresses used by an individual, yourself, or if you're a business, to send material to multiple recipients. The term is often extended to include the people subscribed to such a list, so the group of subscribers is referred to as the mailing list or simply the list or the email list. So now that you have a basic definition of what an email list is, let me kind of give you an example of why you should be building a list and why you should have a list that you communicate with on a regular basis. So here's the thing. Think of, to kind of give you a little precursor, think of businesses like Walmart or Kmart or Sears or these other different businesses. Think about if you go to Walmart.com and you sign up to receive their promotions by entering your email address and your name. Guess what? You're on their list. So whenever they have any kind of promotion, whenever they have any kind of sale, guess what? They're going to send you an email. And they're going to send you an email in hopes that you come in and you take advantage of the sale or you purchase whatever they're selling online. So they're going to regularly send you things that are going on around the world of Walmart, around the Walmart.com. So you are their audience because you like Walmart. You went to their website, you probably bought their stuff. You like Walmart, so you've been to Walmart.com. Well, the same thing that you should be doing for your business, whether it be an opportunity, selling a product or service, or if you're in affiliate marketing, you should have an email list. An email list that you can market to every day or every other day. But they should be hearing from you in some type of form of email every single day. Now, this is great for you because this is an audience that you have to send whatever you want to. I mean, you can send just things that are going on in your business. You can send tips. You can send tips and tricks to help others build their business. You can sell items through email marketing. Whatever you want to do, this is your audience. You know, I'm reminded of a term. This is a famous term about you building a business, and the term is BES: build an audience, engage an audience, sell to the audience. So an email list is basically your audience. If you have an audience on Facebook, if you have people that are interested in business, that's your audience. You're going to sell to that audience. The same thing that you can do with an email list. Imagine having an email list of thousands of people that you can just wake up one morning and you have something that you want to sell and you send the folks an email list and people buy from you. That can happen when you have an email list. So it's important for you to have an email list. I recommend a provider. As you see on the screen, I have Aweber. That's an email provider for you being able to start your list. There are other email providers. There's GetResponse, there's SendLane, there's MailChimp. I don't know about any of those. I've been using personally Aweber for the past 7 years, and I've built, several lists with them. So this is my recommendation for anybody that wants to learn to build their list. To kind of give you an idea of how it works, as you can see here, that there's a free trial for Aweber. If up to your first 500 subscribers after that free 30-day trial, it's $19 a month that you pay, and the more subscribers you get, the higher the price goes, as you can see here. That if you have 0 to 500 subscribers, it's $1,900 a month. If you have 500 to 2,500 subscribers, $29 a month, and it goes on and on and on. So the more you go your list, the higher the price gets. The great thing about this is that this, in my opinion, is the perfect place for you to start as someone that may be new to building their list. Aweber is a great place to start. So it really is important that you do build your list. Because again, you have an active audience, and it's going to be a target audience, because the way you build your list is through possibly, a link on your blog, or a page on your blog, or a capture page that's targeted to certain people. And to this list, you're going to send stuff that they like, whether it be about affiliate marketing, it could be about cats or dogs, but you're going to target that audience, and you're going to have a targeted list. So yeah, definitely should be building your list, and continue to build your list. Here's the thing. You never know what may happen in the future. If you're part of an opportunity or business, and say maybe 3 or 4 years down the road that you're no longer with an opportunity, at least you have a list of people that you can market possibly that new opportunity to. So I can't tell you the importance of you building a list. If all of the major corporations and big businesses have built lists or databases of people to consult with and to recommend products and to market to and to give value to, then you as a business owner, you should be building a list as well. And I hope you find that helpful. I know I rambled on just a little bit, but I hope you found the value and the content of that and the importance of why you should be building a list. Guys, if you're not familiar with Aweber, I will have a link at the bottom here that you can click to take advantage of the trial. Again, it's 30 days, no charge after 30 days. If you're new to list building, it's only like $19 a month. But it's a great place for you to start, and they have some great tools and resources to help you as a new person new to building your list. So hope you enjoyed that. Build your list. Build your list. God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.